Ukraine's drone army has evolved over time, seeing some capable versions showing to be extra effective on the front line, being longer range, resistant to electronic warfare, being partially or fully autonomous, making them be able to target equipment further behind Russia's defensive lines, with Russia's surface-to-air missile systems defense getting targeted by a Switchblade 600 drones, having 2 drones to strike the system, destroying the sensitive electronics inside, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.